Prepositions. Today we are going to discuss about the topic preposition. So there are different kinds of prepositions or in English language: simple prepositions, compound prepositions, and complex prepositions or pleasure prepositions. So let us we see some prepositions and how to use preposition. Wish for is a preposition. What is wish for? Wish for means about a thing. I don't wish for anything in life. I don't wish for anything in life. So like that, revenge for. Pinky took revenge on him for his misdeeds. Pinky took revenge on him for his misdeeds. Search for. Ravi is still searching for a good house. Search for. Ravi is searching for a good house. Seek after. Seek after means in demand. Seek after means in demand. Ganesh is much sought after actor these days. Seek after. Ganesh is much sought after actor these days. Seek for. Try to win. Seek for means try to win. KCR always sought for his aim in his life. Seek for. Seek for means try to win. KCR always sought for his aim in his life. Sentence 2. Sentence 2 means giving punishment. Karthik was sentenced to death by the judge. Sentence 2. Karthik was sentenced to death by the judge. Shoot at. The police shot at the thief who escaped in darkness. In darkness. Pity. Pity means sympathy. We should pity the poor. We should pity the poor. Pity for. Pity for. We should feel pity for the poor. Pity for. We should feel pity for the poor. Play at. They are playing at cards. Play at. They are playing at cards. Point at. Point at means particularly blaming. No one can point at this character because she is quite honest. Point at. No one can point at her character because she is quite honest. Point out. I pointed out his errors and he got annoyed with me. Peculiar to. Peculiar to. So, what is peculiar means particular. This habit is peculiar to my father. This habit is peculiar to my father. Partially for. Partially for. A thing. Kavita has partiality for sweets. Partiality for. Kavita has partiality for sweets. Part from. What is part from? Part from means particular a person. I parted from my friend in Hyderabad. I parted from my friend in Hyderabad. Originate with or originate with. This scheme originated with the finance minister. Originate with. This scheme originated with the finance minister. Operate on or operate upon. The doctor decided to operate on her leg immediately. Operate on or operate upon. The doctor decided to operate on her leg immediately. Offended. Offended. So, how we use offended. He was offended at my words. He was offended at my words. Occupied in. What is occupied in means doing in a thing. Doing in a thing. I am just now occupied in solving the problem. I am just occupied in solving the problem. Negligent in. What is negligent in? Negligent in is a preposition. What it means? It means careless in duty. Don't be neglect in your duty. Don't be neglect in your duty. Need for. What is need for? There is no need for further action in this matter. Need for. There is no need for further action in this matter. Move with. What is move with? Pity. Move with means pity. Pinky was moved with pity. Pinky was moved with pity. Mock it. Mock it. Never mock at the poverty of others. Mock it. Never mock at the poverty of others. Move by. Hi. Move by. Condition. We were moved by her condition. Mix with. Please don't mix water with milk. Please don't mix water with milk. Married with. Married with. Nani was married with Milky. Nani was married with Milky. Married to. Married to. Sunita was married to a famous scientist. Sunita was married to a famous scientist. Limit 2. There is always a limit to friendship. Limit 2. There is always a limit to friendship. Liking for. Liking for. Mother Teresa has great liking for children. Mother Teresa has great liking for children. Laugh at. So what is laugh at? An action, an act or a person. Never laugh at the old persons. Laugh at. Never laugh at the old persons. Known for. Known for means when we talk about a particular quality, we use known for this preposition. Known by. Known by. Known by means so we use a known by to recognize about a person. A man is known by the company he keeps. Known by. A man is known by the company he keeps. Key to. Hard work and commitment commitment is key to success. Commitment is key to success. Judge by. Judge by. Test by. Judge by means test by. Kavita was judged by the academic qualifications. Kavita was judged by the academic qualifications. Irritated at. Irritated at. Bunny seems greatly irritated at my refusal. Irritated at. Bunny seems greatly irritated at my refusal. Intimate with. Intimate with. Pranita is intimate with my family. Pranita is intimate with my family. Inquired into. Inquired into. The police are inquiring into the case. The police are inquiring into the case. So let us we discuss some more prepositions in this video. Good at. Expert. Good at. Expert. Shyam is good at music. Shyam is good at music. Good for. Good for. He is good for nothing. Nothing. He is good for nothing fellow. Fond of. Devi Sri Prasad is fond of classical music. Devi Sri Prasad is fond of classical music. fly into, fly into anger, fly into anger. On hearing my remarks, she flew into a rage. False to. False to is used when we talk about friends or about the principles. We should not be false to our friends. We should not be false on our friends. Enter. Enter means when we talk about the place. He entered my room without my permission. He entered my room without my permission. Dispense with. Dispense with is a preposition. It is used to remove or to do without. You should not dispense with the use of fan in summer. You cannot dispense with the use of fan in summer. We use like that. The cure for means when we talk about a treatment. There is no cure for AIDS yet. There is no cure for AIDS yet. Contribute to. So I think that you have listened this preposition number of times. Contribute to. Every Indian should contribute to the success of Indian economy. Every Indian should contribute to the success of Indian economy. Contrast with. Contrast with. So it is a verb. It is used like this. They tried to contrast the character of their father with mine. Consist in. Remain. Consist means remain. Beauty consists in the character of a person. Consists in means beauty consists in the character of a person. Confident of. Vaishnavi is always confident of success. Confident of. Vaishnavi is always confident of success. Okay. Next, complete for. Our team will not complete for trophy. Commit to. Anjali has committed herself to the service of the society. Commit to. Anjali has committed herself to the service of the society. Beware of. Beware of dogs, lest you should be bitten. Believe in. I believe in him because he is honest. Believe in. I believe in him because he is honest. Aware of. I am aware of your success. I am aware of your success. Attracted to. He was attracted to her at his first sight. Attracted to. He was attracted to her at his first sight. Assured of. I am assured of is help in need. I am assured of is help in need. Ask for. I asked him for help, but he refused. Ask for. I asked him for help, but he refused. Answer to. Mamata did not give answer to my question. Mamata did not give answer to my question. Answer for. Answer for. You will have to answer for your misdeeds. Answer for. You will have to answer for your misdeeds. Amuse with. It is a good preposition. Amuse with. Amuse with means enjoying. They amused themselves with playing video games. They amused themselves with playing video games. Agree with. I did not agree with you. Agree with. I did not agree with you. Agree to. Ravi agreed to all my views, but his father did not. Ravi agreed to all my views, but his father did not. Okay. Affiliated with. Affiliated with means particularly when we talk about a party. Okay. Chandrababu Naidu is affiliated with Telugu Desam Party. Affiliated with. Affiliated to is used in different way. Affiliated to. JNTU college is affiliated to the JNU University. We use like that. Admit to. Raja was admitted to the school on merit. Raja was admitted to the school on merit. Admit into. He was admitted into the room of the principal. He was admitted into the room of the principal. Next, access to. I have no access to the president. Okay, so this is enough for today. Thank you.